Hey everyone, welcome back to Intro to DJing, and in this video what I want to do is talk about Beatjump. Now Beatjump is probably the most used feature that I use, and I don't see many other DJs using it, or at least not using as much as I do, and maybe it's because Traktor makes it very easy to do this. In a virtual DJ, in order to get to Beatjump, you have to move from the starter page to the essentials page. By default, it's going to look like this, so you're going to have your stems and effects, hot cues, and your sampler is generally going to be on this last page. So what you're going to have to do is right click and allow you to see the Beatjump controls like so. In some other DJ applications like Serato DJ Lite, you won't even have access to Beatjump directly. You will need to either use your controller to access it or purchase a license to Serato DJ Pro, which is too bad. So what Beatjump allows you to do is jump forward and backward a specified number of beats. Now this may not sound all that interesting because of course you can always set cue points, but this allows you to do this while the track is running, which means if you miss your mix in point on the track you're mixing in, you can just simply start the track when you want to and then just catch up by jumping beats around. So to give you an example what this sounds like, if I'm playing the track, I can jump forward 8. Track isn't the best example. You can see how I can jump both previously in the track and forward in the track 1 beats. Now, why is Beatjump so powerful in addition to lining up your tracks? Well, the main thing comes down to the fact that most music is organized into different sections that are basically separated by powers of 2, meaning most sections of your song are going to be maybe 16 beats, 32 beats is really common, 64 beats is a standard length for an intro and an outro. So being able to jump around at a fraction of that length or even the whole length, a whole intro or outro is really, really helpful. So most of the music you're going to be playing is going to be in 4/4 time, which means 4 beats to a bar. So if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, those are 4 beats, and then that's going to be 1 measure or bar. And most sections of modern music is either 8 bars, 16 bars, 32 bars. 32 is pretty much the maximum. So the number of beats and is basically directly corresponds to the number of bars in different sections of the song. And this can help a lot when you're preparing your music and you want to find where your mix in and mix out points are. Once again, most of the time you're going to set your first cue point when you want to start mixing in the track. And what I tend to do is jump 32 beats ahead and set my second cue point. And that's when I want to have the track completely mixed in and when I want the track to start. So it's very important that for me to be organized, have my Beatjump basically using it to set these cue points. And then as I'm mixing in a track, I'll often line up the track and I'll know how much time I have left. And then I can go ahead and start mixing it in. So hopefully this gives you a little taste of how Beatjump it works and how powerful it is. In future videos, what I'll do is show exactly how I use it to mix in and why I think it is so useful. So hope you found this video helpful. See ya.